Every dealership starts each month with the same question. How do we make it happen again?
Sometimes it feels like success resets every 30 days.
That's the old game, chasing results that vanish every time the calendar turns a page.
The new game is different. It doesn't restart, it compounds.
Every system is aligned, every campaign connected, and every win feeding the next.
This is where proof begins. Not as a moment, but as a movement.
Proof isn't about what we did once. It's about what keeps working every month, on repeat.
It's not luck. It is structure, rhythm, and systems.
These are the stories of dealerships that stopped restarting and started compounding.
Of leaders who traded chaos for control, stress for structure, and vendors for vision.
Each campaign they ran became data, each insight became action, and each action became growth.
Now their systems sell cars every 30 days without starting from zero.
Because when clarity compounds, results become predictable.
And when results compound, success becomes inevitable.
These case studies are not just testimonials. They are transformations.
Each one a story of a dealership that decided to stop playing the old game.
And start mastering the new one.
Your proof and success story could be next.
Because success isn't the end of the story. It's where the next one begins.
Turbo Marketing Solutions. Real systems, real results, real proof.